Hi guys, welcome again on the channel. My name is Mutsunrayo. I'm a fashion designer. Like you know, in this video I'll share with you how to make appliques out of any fabric. We'll be using this green lace fabric for this project. Let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is take a good look at the lace fabric you want to use, study them, and know what components you want to have on them. For this project, I want to have some Swarovski stones, some half pearls, some beads, and all of that. So place your fabric on a flat surface where you can have enough room to work on it and keep it to sit still for a while so that the gum and all of that can get dried. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead to add your glue, whatever glue you choose to use. You can use E7000, B6000, UHU, anyone that works for you is just fine. And you start by adding the glue to whatever pattern you have chosen to add the stones to. Add the glue, give it some time, just a few seconds so that it can get a little bit tacky, and then you start adding the stones to those points. After you have achieved that, the next thing you want to do is go ahead to add glue to those points where you want to have the maybe other materials like pearls or something. Add glue to those points also and start adding the pearls. After you have added the pearls, make sure that this area that you have worked with, that's the reason why we needed to have a good table or a flat surface to work on, because you need to leave these things to sit still for a while before you start doing any other thing on it. If not, the glue will just mess things up. That's just the truth. And for me, I like to leave this to sit overnight. By the next day, everything is already in place and I already have my glue all dried. If you have enjoyed watching this video so far, please give it a thumbs up, like and share. So the next thing we're going to be doing on the fabric now is to start beading. Right now I'm using a size 3 beads, and I think this is called sand beads, so this is size 3. You can decide to use a size 2 or any other size you prefer. So I'm just going to be beading it following this pattern just like this, and trust me, this came out really nice at the end of the day. At the end of the beading, here is what I have, and everything is looking so nice. All of the pearls, the beads, stones, they've all set in, and I just need to take my soldering iron now and cut them into patches. Here is a picture of the dress I made this with, and you can really see, I really just want to know what you think. Leave a comment, let me know what you think about this dress. Obviously this client loves our dress. Thanks for watching this video guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.